Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Add to Render Queue option when it's grayed out in DaVinci Resolve. This is a common issue that can stop you from exporting your project, but don't worry, the solution is straightforward and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and clips to prepare them for export. Now, here's a crucial step that often gets overlooked. You need to select all the clips on your timeline. The easiest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will highlight every clip in your timeline at once, ensuring nothing gets left behind when we create the new timeline in the next steps. With all your clips selected, turn your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the Media Pool panel. If it's not already open, click on Media Pool to expand it. This panel is where all your project media and timelines are stored, and it's essential for the next part of this process. Inside the Media Pool, locate your current timeline. It's usually labeled something like Timeline 1. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Create New Timeline using selected clips. This action generates a fresh timeline containing only the clips you selected earlier, which is key to resolving the grayed out render queue issue. A dialog box will pop up asking you to input a name for your new timeline. You can name it anything you like. Something descriptive like Final Export Timeline works well. Once you've typed in your preferred name, click Create. DaVinci Resolve will process this for a moment and generate your new timeline. After the timeline is created, it's important to make sure it's actually selected in your media pool. Click on the newly created timeline to highlight it. This ensures that DaVinci Resolve knows which timeline you want to work with when you move to the delivery stage. Now that your timeline is properly set up, look at the bottom tabs again and click on Deliver. This is the export workspace where you'll prepare your project for rendering. Here you'll see various format options and settings that you can adjust according to your needs, whether you want an MP4, MOV, or any other format. Once you've configured your desired format and settings, you'll notice that the Add to Render Queue button is no longer grayed out. Go ahead and click it. Your project will now be added to the render queue successfully, and you can proceed with exporting your video without any issues. And there you have it. By creating a new timeline with your selected clips and ensuring it's properly selected before moving to the Deliver tab, you've resolved the grayed out Add to Render Queue problem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.